Hi, I'm Ashish, a pharma marketing expert. Just like I am planning a memorable birthday for my mom today, I will share you how to make your pharma brand launch unforgettable. Let's dive into these 5 essential ingredients for a successful launch. First, put your consumer. It's not just about the product, it's about the understanding the doctors and the patient's needs and challenges. Point number 2, develop an appropriate channel mix. Think digital, e-detailing, engaging content, and consistent messaging across different platforms. Point number 3, focus on the month before, after the launch. This period is crucial for engagement and building trust with your healthcare professionals. Stay nimble to adapt to the market changes and invest in analytics to understand and predict the doctor behavior. Remember, a successful brand is about the strategy, adaptability, and deep understanding of your audience.